Hi everyone, as promised, I told you all when I got back from Mississippi, I would film my amazing plant haul. Now, of course, I like to shop at Lowe's. So all of these plants were bought within a 5-day period. I'll start with some of the ones that was bought in Midtown Atlanta, and then some of the other ones was bought Fayetteville, Georgia, and then that's the Lowe's in Fayetteville, and then in Mississippi, Batesville. I am going to start you all with, I'm doing a pink and white garden in my backyard. I don't get a lot of full sun. That's my only area of full sun, in that area on the other side, and then in my backyard. So of course I have some white verbenias. I have three of these. Three of these that were $8 that I got for $3. I also have a purple and yellow garden, and this was $10 that I also got for $3. So these verbenias, I have 6 of them. This entire flat, well really 5 of these kind and 1 of this variety for $3. So that is a whole flat of verbena. That pink one is going to go in my pink and white garden. My next favorites is, I'll get back to those. These beautiful hydrangeas. Everyone loves hydrangeas. Why not? So I couldn't find this variety at my Lowe's. So when I saw them in Mississippi, you all, I was beyond grateful and excited that they had these on sale. And as you see, I have pruned them. This one was really full. And as you see, nothing is wrong with it. It wasn't even overgrown. This one, on the other hand, has if you come in, have very small buds growing in. They're very tiny, but if I give this probably a month, those buds will sprout out really well. It'll be just as full as this other one. I got these for $12, and let me just say, you see how tall I am? You all, this one is a little bit wider and taller, but they were worth every bit of $12. This one was a little bit more because it's originally $50. If you can see, I mean $40, apologies. It's originally $40, so I got that one for less, which I think green was half off. So I got that one for $20. I will, if I'm wrong, I will post the receipt in this video. But this was a great deal. I'm so forever grateful that I found that. Now over here we have a lot more. You all, this is my largest plant haul. Bear with me. Alberta spruce is full sun also, which those can be trimmed up. More purple, which is catmint. Proven Winners catmint. Originally $10 that I got for $3. Which, oh my God, it smells so good. So now we're getting into the smell good plants. For real, this is therapy. When these things are in the ground, you all, life can be tough, and these plants brings me so much joy. Another, while we're talking about smell goods, I have 2 honeysuckles. These honeysuckles were in not so great shape. I came in here and pruned them up in my previous video. And you all, look at this. In days, all of this is new growth. When I went out of town for the weekend, these leaves had even budded out yet. But these honeysuckles were $60. And I actually got them for $25. So in my previous post, I also am talking about how the lady told me these was half off. And you know, I really needed these for my backyard. I have a fence back there. And so my chain link fence, I knew not only the smell, but I knew that they would, you know, intertwine well. And so I sat and I just thought, $30 each is too much. But when I got to the counter, the lady gave them to me for $25, you all. That was like $10 savings. That paid for my lavenders, all of my lavenders. I also got a little succulent for $3 here. So I'm going to plant this into the ground. That's full sun also. So it has a little hint of purple. So I'll plant that to give just that background. Something cool texture-wise. And last but not least, I have my favorite watering bucket. Where I water everything that needs watering. Just going in my pink garden. Foxgloves, $12. Those were on sale, half off. So that was $6. I have in here some rosemary. I have 2 rosemary, $6.98. I got these actually for $1. 2 of those. I have some speedwells going in my white and pink garden. First Ladies, $7.98. Originally got those for $3. Another foxglove. And last but not least, I've been waiting for the Summer Crush to go on sale. And look at those buds. They've just been in here overnight. They're waiting to take off. It's just waiting. It just needed a new home. And so this was originally $13.98 that I got for, I think the lady gave it to me for half off too. So, you know, this is brand new for last year. It hit the stores. And I'm not going to get nothing like this for $3, so I do know that. But paying only $13.98, that was $14. Only $7, I think it was $6.25 or something. For is a deal, a steal going in my pink and white garden. So, you all, oh my gosh, I want to be done. What's this month? June. I need to be done. Let me explain why. Because it's hot. Everything, this is the best time to finish planting. Your roots need to get established. Otherwise, it will require more watering. And some of the things that you should think about if you do have drip irrigation system. Newly planted items have not actually created their new roots, established roots. So if you're on a time schedule, these plants will need more water than your more established shrubs like I have here, my azaleas, and different plants. So you have to be careful with drip irrigation and planting June and July if it's actually starting to get hot. Also, another tip, oh, that's my little rug. I can step on it. I love. Anyway, side note, another tip is some plants are in bad conditioning. And so what that means is the roots have been damaged. It's not always good to overwater. It's not always good to prune them right away because those roots have been through enough. So give it a break. Let it sit for 2 weeks under, you know, complete watch. Meaning coming out every 2 days at least to watch them. And then go and give them a good pruning, a good so don't add like fertilizer. You can add different amendments of soil, change up the soil at that stage. So you all, I wish you happy planting. I know I definitely saved over $200 in savings, probably more like $275. I'm grateful, leaving more room for me to buy more next year because this year I have to slow down. I have bought a ton of plants. I'm forever grateful for Lowe's sales. Get out there, you all. Buy you whatever it is you need. If it's for your gardens, your slopes, your fences, for your shaded sun areas. Get out there and go buy. Oh, here I have the bearded blue rock candy beard tongue. Got these, they were $10. I got these also for $3. which they have like a light purple color to them. That's going to be planted with my white to give kind of some background color. These hydrangeas, I forgot to tell you all, they were $26.98, and I got them for half off, which made them be like $13 and some cents. I think it came out to be $12.75 to be exact with the discount. $12 for hydrangeas. Come on, you all. That's the best $10 I've spent besides what meal? You know, you probably could get a good meal on sale, but you all, that's great for $10 almost. I needed evergreens. You all, I needed them so bad. I have a hill that slopes down, and I didn't have hopes of finding these on sale, but Mississippi had them. $20 each. $20. I actually got these on sale for more than half off. They were the blue color, so these were like, I think $7 or $8 or something. I got 3 of them. The correct price is on my previous post. And then to match it, I got the blue rug juniper. Let me see if I have. Yeah, I have a picture of the blue rug juniper. Now, when I say it's so important to have goals for your yard, I have a retaining wall that I wanted the blue rug to creep over. And so now I can plant these along that retaining wall. And then I'm also trying to prevent my son from walking around it. So that'll be cool for it to weep over. These were $22. So let me show you all again. $22.98. And I got those for half off. So those were actually like $10. I have 1, 2, 3 of those. And next to it is what everybody should know, probably have already seen. It's blue. You won't be able to see much of it, but it's lavender, you all. This lavender is purple. Let me see if I broke off a tag already for you. I did not. But the lavender color is actually full sun. All of the junipers full sun. Even these hydrangeas are full sun, but they like afternoon shade, so you can get a lot of hours of sun, but that afternoon you should really try to go for some shade. And then the verbenias are full sun. Everything is full sun, so that puts me in a position where I just gotta hope that these, definitely the evergreens, will survive, because I just don't have a lot of full sun. Here you'll see the correct price for the junipers, the blue star and the blue rug. And here you'll see I saved more than 50% off. 9 items bought, $64 discount. Here 17 items were bought and $136 discount. My final purchase, I saved $72. That brought my total, you all, to $272 in savings. All right, subscribe. See you again. Bye-bye.